She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Ooh, don't stay the night. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted, I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now.
The hair I'm using today is from Queen Virgin Remy. They sent 4 packs of their Afro Kinky bulk hair. The hair is 100% unprocessed human hair and it is in length 18. The color is gold. It is extra soft, guys, and it is lightweight. I'm going to leave all details to this hair in the description box for you guys, so click the link for more info and to get yours. Okay,
one more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about let's talk about let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. to save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me hard with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my feet right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna.
And here is the final look, guys. I used 2.5 pack of this Afro Kinky bulk hair from 𝒂𝒊𝒍𝒍, and you guys know that this hair is 100% human hair, so quality is guaranteed. Okay, it is super lightweight and really beautiful. Okay, I love how soft it is, and like I said before, I'm going to leave all details to this Afro Kinky bulk hair in the description box, so click the link in my description box for more info. Please do not forget to like this video, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest,